Ka Meghalaya AIDS Control Society MECS hapo jongat nat ka koi kya hakashitarik no pra kalarakhe ka World AIDS Day hak jingalang ka balalong ha State Convention Center hak jingaran lang umintri ka tanat ka koi kya uba Wailadmiki shila kum ukongsan hak ni ka program la yadon lang ru ki MLA ki bakanthom ya uba Adelbert Nongrum ba Olan Singh Sun ba Matthew B Kurma Principal Secretary Usampat Kumar ki doktor badkhot nakatanan ka koi kya ki kinhun seng ki samla bat ki waipat ki donge shimbanta haba ajing kran ha ka jingalang uba Wailadmiki ulaong ba Maria Shimti ya ka kam kum umintri katanan ka koi kya na ka liang ki officer na ka MACS kilapun sngo ha u halor ki sinjam ki bakila shim bat ki bala ya shakmat kumju ula kuburu ha ka baya dei bat ka jingkiyo ha ka jingdan jing ki bayo ya ka jingpang HIV AIDS what happening ke sinjam bala shim dak society ban pelong ye jing pet shai pat ba bat ki program ba pher na lor ka jing pen shlor ban le ye ki test u mentri ula banjur ba ka HIV kam dei tang ka jing pang ka ba ki briu ki yo henry ka dei ru ka ka bala ban kata ha ka imlang sa lang ula pen pau ru ka jing sung khia halor ka jing du na jing ki briu ki bawan shakman ban le e ki test bat na ka benta ki kat tu ka ni ki basange no ikila jing sumar da ka bapan ksan ya ka jing dan kam ban ithu e ki jing e ki ba ki nong pang ki ya kendo ha ba kentu ban shimlang ya ka jing kit khli umentri ula kentu e ki nong shong shnong ban kershan ya ka mission ha ka jaka ban shushanya tang ha ka MACS da ka bapan pau ba ka jing atri lang jong ki nong shong shnong kalong ko ba kongsan ban te la kam ya ka jing saphyang ka jing pang HIV ulapan benaru baka sorkar kan sedang ya ka mission ka basan snem ban penyari ki Jakarta hakeleng gejala da ka jingbang pisa ka bapalat arpasan klur tingka na ka benta ki jaka sumar bat jaka le ya ki test kum shibenta ka ni ka jingrakhe umentri ula ka we ru ya ka lama na ka benta ka jingai rally da ki thuk thuk bat buat da ka jingthang mombati
remind us the progress is only possible when we confront challenges with unity, courage, and innovation. I still remember when I took in as a health minister. At the same week, the member from the MAX on the leadership of the project director came to meet me and presented all the efforts taken by Max. But I was so surprised that instead of so many efforts, my only question for them that day was that why, after so much of effort, that the number of HIV is still increasing. That's what we will discuss that day. And I told them, I think not only me but everyone saw the efforts made by them. Everywhere you will go nowadays, you will see Max is there with their team, expecting people to come and test, giving awareness. But I told them that maybe we are not able to put the effort in the right way. And as already mentioned, already shared by the president of the MSNP and his missus, that having an HIV is not only a challenge faced only being infected, but to face the stigma. That is the biggest challenge. So that's why I feel that, and on that particular day, I told the project director also that why people are not coming forward to test, and why people after coming also, why they are not following up, why the number of the lost to follow-up cases is increasing. We have to find a reason behind why these people after coming and why they have stopped. So that is very important. So that's why we discussed, and I told them that in order to get the result, we need to put ourselves in their place. We need to find out what are the challenges faced by them. What are the things that we are doing that it is not giving the response we are expecting? Because we know that the stigma is very big. So that's why it's very important on that particular day I told them that our focus should not be only to those people who are infected, but to the uninfected people also. Because awareness is very important. It's so sad to hear. It's so sad to hear that children are being chased out from school, from giving education. If that is the scenario, who will come forward and test themselves and come forward for treatment? If we, as a population, if we don't accept them, to please, to work together, to unite, and because this is not possible if you are only expecting from Max or from the government. So we have to work hand in hand for this. Because a state is like a body. If one part is infected, then it's going to spread to the whole body. So that's why we have to work jointly. And like already mentioned by our principal secretary, the government is fully aware of this. And that's why we are coming up with a mission mode, a 5-year mission mode plan, where we'll be increasing the more number of the testing center, more number of the treatment center, that is the ART. And for this 5 years, we have also, apart from the support given from the National Aid Control Organization, the state of government will spend another 25 crore plus in order to see that more treatment center and more testing center will come up. And a part of that, there will be a push, more push on giving awareness. Because awareness is very important. And it's so sad to know that till now there are so many people, they don't know that there is a treatment for HIV, which is free of cost, very effective. If you come forward and get your treatment, then you can live a normal life, a dignified life, like a living testament like our president and his Mrs. standing here, 18 years. And when I look at him, he will live much longer. So this is a living testament that if you come forward, get yourself treated, you can live a normal life. So through this platform, I appeal to people living with HIV. Please come forward. And from our side, I will assure you, we will sit and definitely will discuss with the organization looking after this will really love to hear from you because you know it better. We know there is quite a number of concern from your end. We'll really love to hear it, and we'll see and we'll try to help you in many ways. And we know that privacy is one of the concern right now, and that also will definitely look after it. We will be discussing with Max, so very soon we will coming up that to see that the privacy of the people living with HIV will be maintained, and they will get easy accessible treatment from the department. So the effort is still there, but like I said, it will never be possible if you are expecting only from the government or Max or from the organization, but we have to work it together in order to fight this dreaded disease, which is today, like all others have mentioned, and I also would like to again declare it that HIV is not a death sentence. There is a way of treatment, and you can live a normal life. So